Hello and welcome to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new product Paradise from the desk of Glyn Kosky, or just Paradise, but, well, Paradise seems like a short name, so... Anyway, this is going to be a massive sales page. We're going to gloss through a lot of this, and I'm going to sum this up for you right now. I am going to recommend that most of you don't even look at this product. I'm going to explain that towards the end. I'm going to try to skim through a lot of this fairly quickly because, frankly, there's really not an awful lot to review. However, if you're willing to invest a lot of money into this, okay, this has got a front end of, I think it's $18 or $19. For $18 or $19, you are going to waste $18 or $19. That's it. If you're only intent on buying the front end of this, you are wasting your money. If you are interested or willing to spend a few $100s to get the unlimited version and the done-for-you unlimited traffic automation and ATM edition, then this product will see a return on investment, most likely. If not, there is a money-back guarantee on it. But right off the start, I'm going to tell you that if you're just looking to get started and you don't have much to put into this, for the under $20, you will be frustrated and you will be stymied and you will give up on this because it's going to be a very difficult and awkward system. Now, there's a lot of hype. There's, like I said, this is probably the biggest sales page I've looked at. It's definitely the biggest sales page I've looked at since I came back to doing reviews, and it's one of the biggest sales pages that most of you have probably ever seen. The reason for that is there's a lot of hype. Okay, so we've got this two-click system. We've got free autopilot traffic, pays us $37.63 an hour. Now that's not too bad, and of course you can ramp up pretty much any system. So we've got this. This is not a video. This is a promotional video. Okay, so we're seeing free buyer traffic, 300 plus traffic sources. Early users seeing great results. Great for struggling beginners. Works on all devices. 180-day money-back guarantee. Free coaching. If you fail, and I don't know why you put this in. I mean, I want, personally, I want coaching. I want at least the training, if it, to make it work in the first place. I guess this is saying that if you can't make it work in the first couple of months or something like that, then they'll give you some specific coaching. But let's see. So we've got some snapshots that don't mean anything because this could come from anywhere. Glyn Kosky, just based on his sales numbers, has made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing. This is without doing research. This is just looking at a single one of his profiles and doing some very simple math. Okay, so any successful affiliate marketer can put up a picture like this, and the intent is for you to link this image with this phrase. But again, there's nothing to do that. It's not showing you a source. Day 6, we had a record day, $521 before breakfast. Now, that sounds really, really great. Most of us would probably love to make $500 before breakfast without doing anything, right? You do a couple things the day before, and all of a sudden you just wake up to $500 plus dollars. Okay, so they're saying that this made them, after 30 days of testing, $23,491. Now that's a pretty solid income, I think, for most people in 1 month, right? That's going to lead you to a pretty healthy annual income for most people. Okay, 12 newbies. These are stock photos. I'm sorry, but these are stock photos. Okay, you can buy this stuff. In fact, we've done reviews in the last week for products that would give you the content to build something like this. So there you go. If you go back to what was it called, the Ultimate Graphics Designer Bundle or something like that, you could pretty much build all of this with the stuff from that package. Okay. So step one, activate your done-for-you Paradise Profit platform. Switch on the free traffic. Step two, watch as a raging river of free traffic hits your links on autopilot. Now, if that sounds too good to be true, I want you to consider for a moment that it probably is. Now, I've actually had some experience with some Glenn Kosky products that actually looked exactly like this. And it's pretty much like I said, if you buy the upfront, the front end product, you're going to be stuck doing a lot of work yourself that in most cases you're probably not going to fully understand how to do properly. Okay, there is some training, but the training is not complete enough to actually get you over some of the hurdles. So you're going to be left figuring a lot of stuff out. If you spend all of the money to get the done for you upsells, then yes, you will begin to see some results, because at that point you don't have to set up a system that you're unfamiliar with. Someone else has done the work, someone else is marketing it, and in a lot of cases you are literally setting up to market products that someone else has already been approved for, and so you're sharing commissions. You're still getting paid for it, but that's just to say that there are reasons why they're making that work for you. Okay, so we've got hype, we've got more hype, we've got, the finer things in life. We're selling you a dream here. Now, this is anytime you get a website or a sales page, I should say, that is giving you this much without telling you how it works. Remember, at this point, all we know is that, you make a couple clicks on this platform. You know nothing about the platform. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so again, we're not going to read through a lot of this because most of this isn't telling you any of the things that you want to know. It's making claims that someone else has had success with this. It's not actually showing you now, and even with this. Okay, so even if we believe that Vanessa on her first day made 22 sales and $712. Does that mean that every one of the beta testers did that? And again, how do we prove that? There's a lot of fabricated truths in this market, and so here we go. Yes, he is a ClickBank Platinum vendor and Warrior Plus Super affiliate. I have no doubt that this is an actual screenshot from Glenn Kosky. In fact, I wouldn't doubt if all of the image screenshots from this are from Glenn Kosky. He obviously puts together, right? If you want to know how to become a truly successful affiliate marketer, find a product and put together a sales page that looks like this, because this is realistically a really good looking sales page. This is the sort of sales page that if you came to this and you looked it over on your own, and it's your first experience with affiliate marketing, you're tired of maybe it's COVID restrictions, and you're tired of not being sure if you're going to be able to go to work because you don't know if your workplace is still open, you don't know if your kids are going to have to stay home from school, you don't know if there's going to be a lockdown, you don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just you're tired of getting up and building your entire life around a 9-to-5 job or a 12-hour shift or whatever. Maybe you're tired of struggling and you're looking for a side hustle. You know the reasons why you want to set up an affiliate or online career or income, but you come to that, you hear all of these wonderful stories. There's lots of podcasts and blogs where people are talking about their success stories. And you come into this and you see this as the first product that crosses your path, you are totally going to shell out money on this because this looks attractive. There's a lot of hype. There's a lot of promise. This is telling you exactly what you want to hear. That you, for $20, for $19 US, you can make massive amounts of money. You can make hundreds of dollars a day and only make 2 clicks. All right, this sounds spectacular. You're going to get a done-for-you pre-monetized platform, free buyer traffic on steroids, high-paying offers, hands-free automations, passive revenues, commission-boosting technology. Okay, so there's all kinds, and there's lots of training in here. Yes, this looks spectacular, but again, I'm telling you, in part from the sales page and in part from experience, that the front end on this is going to disappoint you greatly. Okay? Again, my goal here, the easiest thing in the world for me would be to do a hype video on this and tell you, go buy this right now, and you know what, buy all of the upsells as well. I can guarantee you by the time this video goes up, there's probably about 24 other review videos on this, quote unquote reviews, that are just straight up telling you to buy the product. And I can't in good conscience do that because I've been where you guys are. I've been where, oh, this looks like a spectacular deal. I can make $100,000 plus a year and only spend $19 once on software. I mean, yeah, that sounds fantastic, but it is too good to be true. Now, if you know what you're doing, and if you listen to all the training, and if you do a lot of research to improve your affiliate marketing skills, yes, you can probably do that if you get some of the upgrades to this. But again, I don't want you guys to go and waste your money. You know, don't waste $20 if you're going to invest. Say, let me just—I don't have this set up to view on screen, but so well before we get, let's just go down to the bottom here. So you're getting some bonuses here. First sale in 37 seconds. Now, anytime you're looking at something like first sale in 37 seconds, guaranteed you're looking at a system that is set up to work with other affiliate marketers. If you're new to the market, the odds there's no one place where people go and just randomly buy stuff all the time without looking at it. Okay, so to make a sale in 37 seconds, it's taken us, I don't know, a few minutes. We are 12 minutes of just scrolling through this web page right now. So if you're making a sale in 37 seconds when a sales page can take significantly longer than that, then you have to ask yourself, you know, exactly what's going on there. Okay? So here's what you're getting. Automated free buyers traffic, done for you monetized profit system, handpicked offers, plus the bonuses. I think there's a list down here a little bit further. There's so much hype on here, right? And even this, you've got two choices: ignore it, do nothing, or look at the 5 stars, change your life. Okay, there's a guarantee. Everything you're getting. Okay, so you're gonna get the Paradise app, step-by-step video tutorials, the mobile edition, built-in free traffic, done for you Paradise platform, done for you profit technologies, $1,000 plus per day live training, 24/7 VIP support, 180-day unconditional money-back guarantee, and free coaching if you fail, plus all of the bonuses that are in here. And it's a value of $18,000 and $18,008. Now, I want you to think about this for a minute. Now, values get inflated all the time in affiliate marketing. It's how you make a good deal look even better. But think about this. If you went shopping for a new car and you walked onto the lot and you saw a shiny Ferrari, or pick whatever vehicle, you know, whatever you want. Maybe it's a nice souped up F-150. Maybe it's a full size family van or minivan. Maybe it's a nice high end SUV. But if somebody told you, hey, this vehicle normally goes for $18,000, which is a really cheap vehicle. I think that's actually getting to be a cheap used vehicle these days. But if they said, look, this normally sells for $18,000, but I'm willing to let you have it for $19. What would you think? Right, this is one of the things that a lot of marketers don't think about when they put these great deals up. Is if it's so great, if it's so valuable, why give it away for so cheap a price? Okay, And and then we've got an additional upsell here for $9.95. Now I do want to give you a little bit of additional information. Again, I don't have the set to show on screen, but the first one-time offer is unlimited. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to get into this software and you're going to find that you are limited in the number of campaigns that you're able to pursue. My guess is from personal experience, I think it's 3. It might be as many as 5. Now, 5 campaigns might sound like a lot until you realize that there's literally hundreds of thousands of potential campaigns out there, more releasing every single day, and you are stuck with just picking a small handful of those, and so you're going to want the unlimited. And of course, the difference between 3 campaigns and say 60 campaigns, while you might say, oh well, that's 20 times as much. Well, but when you look at market saturation, when you look at how funnel systems work, it's actually even more than that. If you want to get the done-for-you version, that's going to come in at an additional $97. Unlimited traffic, all the traffic stuff, to get the unlimited traffic is going to be an additional $97. If you want the automation, that's going to be $67. The ATM edition is going to be another $67. Now, and then additionally, you can buy the license rights to this to resell it for an additional $197. Now, I'm going to say 2 things about this. The first is that, yes, I think if you go and you put the money into the first... I would go, if I was going to get into this, I would go for the first 5 one-time offers. Okay? The unlimited, the 100% done for you, the unlimited traffic, the automation, and the ATM edition. The second thing I'm going to say to you, and this is not something that I think most people are going to tell you, if you choose to get into this, turn down the first one-time offer every time. What do I mean by that? Well, it's going to offer you unlimited for $67, and if you say no, it's going to offer you unlimited for $47, because they can't haggle a price with you, right? If you go to a marketplace and somebody says, well, I'll give you this for $67, and you say, well, I'll give you $30 for it. You can haggle back and forth. Well, you can't do that here. But their way of kind of compromising on that is that they will offer you every one of those one-time offers for a reduced price. So $67 becomes $47, $97 becomes $67, $67 becomes $37, so on and so forth. So that's about all I have to say. This is a system that can work, but you are going to be so tremendously frustrated if you stick with the $19 front end product. You're going to find it's not 2 clicks. It is going to be a lot of work to do. It's going to be a lot of work to set it up, and you're going to find yourself getting frustrated with it very, very quickly and not seeing any results. Now, yes, you can turn around and you can say, hey, I want my money back. And trust me, a lot of people on a lot of these products do ask for their money back, which is why these systems tend to have a very low customer rating. But there is potential there. If Glenn Kosky and company who are releasing these, if there were no results, then word would get around fairly quickly. But the fact is that there are people who do get very high results, but you're not going to get it with the front end. So my final word on Paradise is either jump all in or ignore this completely. That I think is going to be salient advice for most of you. I hope that has been useful. This product is live now. Check out the sales page for yourself through the link in the description. That is a bit of a guarded review, but I hope it's helpful. I'm trying to be honest with you guys, trying to help you dodge bullets where possible. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.